All right, 2012 Tundra. I already did the spark plugs on this, but I'm going to tell you what you need to do is there's a 10mm bolt down here for each ignition coil. All right, you're gonna have to remove those. First thing you need to do is pull these clips, the harness. So push in here and pull it out. They're gonna want to move like that. So you're gonna pull those out, and then you're gonna undo your bolt there, and you're gonna pull this whole ignition coil with igniter attached out. Right, pull that out, and then you can use your spark plug standard 5/8. You know, something like this I made, which I believe it's like a 7-inch extension. This does not come undone, and so this can get in there and get pulled around because they're kind of hard to get to. I can't remember which side it was harder than the other, but it was a little harder than the old ones. The other thing you're gonna need to get stuff out of the way and make it a lot easier, if I can get the focus here, is it's an E7. So you see these little clips here? It's called an E7 bit. It's like a star bit. Inverse, yeah, see it there. It's a female star, so it goes on these. You can unclip these and move this harness out of the way because it's attached to your some of your sensors and ignition coils and everything. So this was, I wished I had that when I did it. You can do it without it, but it just makes it a little easier. And that's about all you need to know. Put a tiny bit of anti-seize on the threads of the spark plugs before I put them in. Use the same ones that it says in the basic manual. Whatever they are, just use them. Get Denso for sure, or NGK, whichever one it says. That's it.